go whenever you're ready.
Okay. I'm Brian Foster. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Jeff Foster Trucking, and this is our collision center. So this is one of our prep rooms for working on equipment prior to getting paint work done. We're primarily a big truck equipment, kind of the oddball stuff where you get outside of the normal car and truck, pickup truck situation where most companies do. That type of work, we do the big stuff. So we're an insurance certified body shop, so we get hired by different insurance companies to fix equipment. This is where they take pieces apart, disassemble and reassemble. This is just one of the rooms. This is one of our bigger rooms. As you can see, all different types of equipment. Dump trucks, we do cranes. We've done trailers. Some of the greatest things I like here are watching the things come in with the damage and seeing the amazing work that gets done. The accomplishment of it comes in disarray and actually goes back out looking like brand new equipment again, and it's quite satisfying. Got a great group of talented people, so it's really fun to watch things transform. In this building, there's two painting booths. Both of them are just about 50 feet long and high, so we can fit big pieces of equipment inside. It's really fun to watch stuff go into color and become one fantastic looking piece. Each paint booth has a paint mixing room, just like you would at any other small body shop, for the people that get everything prepared for the paint, all up to the highest standards and very safe. We're a recycled steel shot sandblasting facility as well, so we do a lot of that daily for different vendors and suppliers, including some of the people that we do body work for. That will pertain to frame sandblasting, trailer repair. We can go from just straight up sandblasting it to all the way to the end where it needed a paint, primer paint, so on and so forth. Inside this door, we'll walk into one of our paint booths. One of the paint booths that we will prep and paint the pieces once their body work has been completed. So later today, this hood for a semi-truck will be painted to the color that it's needed and reassembled to the vehicle. Our technicians, our specialties in anything from just prep work to body work to the actual painting itself. Some have skills for all that level. Some people are just specific to one area. We're okay with all of that. We just need it all to get the finished product out, so it's a good team. The type of work that we do here, we like to say it's second to none because people come back to us because we do a great job. The product that we put out at the end is what people want to see, and it really is what Phil brought to us in 1997 and created with his team here today. So, you know, the growth of this business has been just because of the great people that work here and the direction that Phil has guided it on, which is we don't put things out that are not up to our expectations. It's not what we would want. We wouldn't give that to you. So it's really special what we put out. It's a good quality product.